Hey there everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to mute certain notifications on Twitter. So open up your Twitter, and what you want to do next is go to your profile on the top left right here and go to settings and privacy. Then click on notifications, click on filters, and click on muted notifications. From here you can mute certain notifications from things that people you don't follow you with a new account. Usually, to be honest, with a new account it's iffy because some are true, some aren't. Who have default profile photo, who haven't confirmed their email address, who haven't confirmed their phone numbers. And you can play around, edit what you want, and pretty much on your preference. If you want to mute a certain person, you will have to just block them. This doesn't work for like individuals that don't fit in these variables. So that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.